This year's recipient is Tom Leinster for his article, Rethinking Set Theory, which appeared in the American Mathematical Monthly. In this paper, which is written with clarity and finesse, Tom considers an alternative.
Now, will you keep your hands up if you're sure you know what a set is? You're sure you can write down. Right.